Okay, my peeps, let's make another cute topper for these mini Dollar Tree containers. We gonna roll out some clay, and you need a cookie cutter that's just a little much bigger than the top, because you're gonna put the clay over. That's gonna be our covering for the lid. Okay, so you got to make sure your cookie cutter is big enough to cover the lid. So I'm using tacky glue. You can use super glue if that's what you want to use. I'm just going to use tacky glue to glue this down. Make sure you put it on the bottom and on the edge. And then you're just going to take your clay and you're going to roll it down and over the lid. You want to make sure that it reaches the right close to the bottom of that lid. Okay, you don't want it to go too over where you can't close the lid, but you just want it to make sure that it goes all the way down to that edge. Okay, so then I just got I got this denture brush from Dollar Tree, and I'm just making some, you know, like a pattern or something, just some texture to make it look like a cookie, or I don't know, just like something baked. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid back on the container, and I'm going to continue pressing my brush into the clay just to give it more texture. Now this one is one I let dry a little. Now I got some cream glue or Deco glue, and I'm going to take some. Now this Deco stuff is pretty thick. Okay, so I'm taking some of it and I'm putting it in a cup. And then I'm going to add some glue, that's tacky glue, to thin it out, okay? I want to make it spreadable. I mean, you could spread this and you can use it like a cookie icing or something, but I wanted it to be a little bit more thin, you know, thinner, so I can just spread it on top of this, up top of my clay base, okay? So I'm just going to spread that around. You don't have to be too neat about it, because things are going to go on top of it anyways, okay? But you want to bring it kind of towards the edge, but not over the edge. This is also going to be the glue that's going to hold the stuff on top. So I just took some of that mixture and I put it in a little baggie, and I'm going to use that to finish off decorating this, okay? So you have to make enough of the mixture so that you could put some in a little piping bag, because we're going to use it for drip, okay? So then I got some cabochons and some cookies and some whatever, however you want to make it. You can make it with candy, you can make it with cookies, you can make it with a mixture of candy and cookies, whatever. You can make it all pink or blue. It's totally up to you, okay? So I went and got me some M&Ms, some little fake chocolate chips. And after you put stuff down, you kind of maybe don't like the way it looks, you can still move it around. Stick some more things in there. I put a little chocolate bar. That's a mini macaron. You put whatever you want on top of yours, okay? I'm just making something here. So there you go. I'm putting the little drip, like I'm making the chocolate drip or chocolate sauce come over the edge, but I'm doing it with this little bit of cream glue mixed with tacky glue to make the drips come to the edge, okay? So basically you just like filling in any areas that didn't have the chocolate sauce, okay? So like you could put as much as you want. You can make the drips as big as you want. It's totally up to you. And I think this looks pretty good. So I'm just going to put some glitter on it. This is shimmer glitter. It's not like a gold glitter. It's a white clear glitter. And there you go. So you could just put whatever you want on top. But isn't this so cute? Like I have all these cabochons I never use. Well, there it goes, being used. Now go make you some. Talk to you later. Bye.